Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Today I have brought to you future continuous tense or future progressive tense. As you know that the continuous tenses are also called progressive tenses. Let's start it. Future continuous tense is used to refer to some action that will happen in future, that will happen at some time in future. It is used to refer to continuing action that will occur in the future. The word continuing action has been used because the action is in progress in future. It is continuing. So the structure of the sentence of the future continuous tense is quite simple, like future indefinite tense. It starts with subject, and after subject auxiliary verb will or shall are used, but here we add another auxiliary verb that is known as be. So shall be or will be, these two auxiliary verbs are used after subject, and after subject the main form of the verb, which is the present participle form, is used. Present participle form is that form of the verb where we add ing with the first form of the verb, with the base form of the verb, is playing, coming. So these are the present participle forms of the verb. So this is the simple structure of future continuous, that after subject we use two auxiliaries, shall or be, will or be, means shall be or will be. These are two auxiliaries which will be used, and after auxiliaries we use the present participle form of the verb. This is the main structure of future continuous or future progressive tense. These are the different kinds of sentences as I have demonstrated it in future indefinite tense or future simple future tense, that we have a simple sentence. After simple sentence we have question mark sentences or interrogative sentences, and we have negative sentences too, and after negative sentences we have interrogative negative sentences. So how we will change the simple sentence into negative or interrogative sentence, let's see. So you see this positive sign or this plus sign shows that the sentence is a simple sentence, positive sentence, and the question mark shows that the sentence is interrogative sentence. The minus marks shows that the sentence is negative sentence, and the question mark as well as the negative sign shows that these are the sentences are interrogative as well as negative. And again question mark shows interrogative sentences. So the first sentence, he will be eating mangoes. Subject, after subject we have used will be as auxiliary verb, eating is the present participle form, and mangoes is of course object. And again positive sentence, we have the second sentence as a positive sentence, I shall be writing a letter. So after subject shall be is used as a auxiliary verb, and the present participle form of the verb writing is also used. The third sentence is interrogative sentence. So in future continuous tense, we, like other sentences, like other tenses, we exchange subject with auxiliary verb. As you see, auxiliary verb will is placed in front of the subject, in front of the sentence, will the horse be eating grass, and we put question mark at the end of the sentence in auxiliary sentences, and question mark sentences and interrogative sentences. And for negative sentences we insert not between shall and be. We insert not between the two auxiliaries shall be or will be. Like you see, we shall not be playing football. So this is negative sentence. And for interrogative and negative we exchange the subject with auxiliary verb, and after the subject, right after the subject, we use not, or you can say that not is inserted between subject and the second auxiliary be. and at the end of the sentence, the question mark is also used. Will he not be catching the ball? And the last sentence is interrogative sentence. Will the snow be falling tonight? So, will auxiliary will is used in front of the sentence, in front of the subject, and uh, the rest of the sentence there is no change. And at the end, we use the question mark too. So these are the different kinds of sentences: positive sentences, interrogative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative negative sentences, and again, interrogative sentences. So in future indefinite tense, I have also taught to you how to contract a subject and auxiliary verb. Here again, it is practiced. You see that I will be pronounced or will be contracted like I'll. We will, will. You will, you will. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. It will, it'll. They will, they'll. And for negative sentences, we contract won't. We contract will with won't. For example, I will not. I won't. We will not. We won't. You will not. You won't. He will not. He won't. She will not. She won't. It will not. It won't. They will not. They won't. So these are in negative cases of the sentences where we contract will not with won't. Here we will switch into Urdu. यहाँ पे चूंकि हमारे केपी बोर्ड में ट्रांसलेशन का क्वेश्चन आता है उर्दू से अंग्रेजी में और अंग्रेजी से उर्दू में, तो यहाँ पे हम ये देखेंगे कि फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस जो है इसका उर्दू में पहचान किया है और उर्दू में हम जुमले को कैसे पहचान सकते हैं. तो जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं कि जो जुमला रहा होगा, रहा हूंगा, नून गुन्ना का भी इस्तेमाल होता है, वो मैं मिसालें देके आपको बताऊंगा कि नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल कैसे होगा और नून गुन्ना के बगैर आप कैसे जुमला बनाएंगे. रहे होगे, रहे होंगे, रही होगी, रही होंगी. तो जो जुमले इन अल्फाज पे ख़त्म होते हैं वो जुमले फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस या फिल मुस्तकबिल जारी के जुमले होंगे. जैसे कि ये मिसालें आप देख रहे हैं, मैं ख़त लिख रहा हूँगा, नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल हुआ है. मैं अपने लिए जब बोलूँगा, अपने लिए जब बताऊँगा तो मैं नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल करूँगा. मैं ख़त लिख रहा हूँगा या वो ख़त लिख रहा होगा. जब किसी और के लिए इस्तेमाल होगा तो फिर नून गुन्ना के बगैर होगा, वो ख़त लिख रहा होगा. इस तरह वो पेशावर जा रही होगी. अगर कोई मुअन्नस, कोई फेमिनिन अपने लिए बता रही है तो वो ये जुमला इस तरह बोलेगी, वो मैं पेशावर जा रही होंगी, फिर नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल होगा. इस तरह हम रोज़े रख रहे होंगे, जब हम अपने लिए बोलेंगे तो नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल होगा. और जब मतलब ये है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन जो है आई और वी, उसके साथ हम नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. और ये जब प्लूरल बन जाए दे, फिर भी हम प्लूरल का इस्तेमाल, नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. या अगर हम इस जुमले को ऐसा भी पढ़ सकते हैं कि वो रोज़े रख रहे होंगे, वो रोज़े रख रहे होंगे, तो जमा के लिए फिर भी यहाँ पे हम नून गुन्ना का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. तो ये फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का उर्दू में पहचान था. उम्मीद है कि अंग्रेजी में पहचान और उर्दू में पहचान आप समझ चुके होंगे. फिर भी अगर आपके जहन में कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर क्वेश्चन कीजिएगा और हमें बताइएगा कि आपकी कौन सी रुकावट है समझने में, ताकि वो हम दूर कर सकें. वीडियो देखने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Stay blessed.